Hi everyone, my name is Justine and today I'm going to explain you how to draw the scale. Here we have our measurements. These are, we have first Imperial and the scale is metric. So we have to convert this Imperial to metric. We have 17 feet 5 inches and 13 feet 9 inches. We start first converting feet to inches. We multiply 17 by 12 and that gives us 204 inches. Then we add these 5 inches and that gives us 209 inches. We have to convert these inches to centimeters. We multiply 209 inches by 2.54 centimeters. And the result is 530.86 centimeters. Then we have to convert these centimeters to meters. Here is the result. Then we multiply these meters by the scale given, that is 4.5, and that gives us 23.90. We do the same steps in the other side. We have 13 feet. We convert that to inches, multiplying 13 by 12, and that gives us 156 inches. We add these 9 inches, and that gives us 165 inches. Then we have to convert these 165 inches to centimeters. We multiply 165 by 2.54 and that gives us 419.1 centimeters, and we convert these centimeters to meters. Then that we have the result in meters, we multiply that by the scale given, again that is 4.5, and the result is 18.86. Here is the draw counter. It's 23.90 centimeters and 18.86 centimeters. I made the draw here. On this side we have 18.86 and on this side we have 23.90 centimeters. And also I made another draw. On this side, again, we have 18.86 centimeters, and on this side, we have 23.90 centimeters. Thank you very much.